My name's Nick Frey. I'm the Director of Engineering for Flyer Defense. I oversee and lead the engineering department for design, development, and production activities. As vehicle systems become more complex, the ability to manage change also becomes more complex. The Flyer product line of vehicles were wholly designed in Siemens Accelerator NX and managed within the Teamcenter application. For a small company, it can be pretty daunting when you first start to use that software. We brought Applied CAx in to help us go through, audit the system, and give us a roadmap honed with industry best practices to really improve the functionality of our installation. Immediately after the audit, Applied came in with some settings that really had an immediate impact on our ability to model large assemblies and really opened the world for us as far as NX capabilities. We began to realize the full functionality from change management workflows to collaborative markups to visualization features and even active workspace thin client, which opens the door to allow many more employees within an organization access to Teamcenter and the single source of truth as far as design goes. With Applied's help, we have been able to integrate change management into the Teamcenter PLM. This now allows us to look at total impacts, not just in the CAD itself, but in the supporting documentation, work instructions, manufacturing bill of materials, engineering bill of materials. As the change moves through the approval process, we get a holistic view of every impact as it affects the product, from design all the way to rolling off the production line. Applied CAx really helped us unlock more technology with Teamcenter by introducing us to a lot of the tools that really make Teamcenter a great PLM system. With the success we've had in implementing modules and softwares with our partner Applied, we're really looking to add more features down the road. Polarian, Capital, Checkmate. Bringing on a partner like Applied that has the knowledge and experience with Teamcenter is an invaluable decision.